Welcome to Virtual FPV Fly Assistant. Your goal today is to complete a 1.3-kilometer cinematic loop in 1 minute. To achieve positive results, maintain an average speed of at least 78 km per hour. Good luck. Gusty winds and mountain passes. Recommend cautious navigation. Detecting rock formations, enabling obstacle avoidance systems for safe passage. Sudden elevation changes ahead, ready for quick altitude adjustments. Straight line detected, increasing drone pitch. Your average speed is too low, increasing maximum speed. Lighting conditions changing, adjusting camera settings for optimal exposure. Straight line detected, increasing drone pitch. You did it. Nice job. See you on the next level.